Hello guys, welcome to Tech2. Today we are going to see how to disable system update notification in your Android mobile. As here you can see in my Android mobile updates are available and it shows in my notification. Now let's see how to fix this by a simple step. You can see now these updates are available. Now let's see how to fix it. For fixing this, you want to go to system and slightly scroll down and you can see apps are there. Some system it consists of apps and some other system consists of applications. This is Redmi device, Xiaomi. In this app section, click app and you can see system app setting is there. The first option, click that system app setting and it consists of system apps like gallery, message, contact, call settings, etc. Go to system app updater, this one, the first option. Click this and you can see show update notification is there. You want to, it is enabling right now, so that's due to these the app updates are available, notifications are show in your notification section. You want to disable these show update notification. I am disabling right now. Yes, I am disable this one. So if you disable this one and you want to go back, afterwards the system app updates notification is not notify in your device. So this is how to disable your system update notification in your Android mobile. So thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned to Tech2. Thank you, and please subscribe my YouTube channel for further update.